On number 7, we have the drama The Tale of Nokuru. The Tale of Nokuru is about a man who disguises himself as a woman to live among a community of a woman in order to solve a mystery about his past. He falls for the hot-tempered woman who is reluctantly training to be the Jiseng while seeking revenge on the king. The next drama will be the 18 again. The young Da Jung is married to the 37-year-old Hong Dae Young. She became completely fed up with her husband. The Hong Dae Young got fired from his job and the Jung Da Young hands him the divorce paper. He regrets his life. At that moment, his body changes into the 18-year-old person, while his mind is still the 37-year. The In Yup is the very cutest and the most adorable person in this drama you will ever watch. Go and watch this must-watch drama, which is really the worth-watching drama, and also the character of In Yup is a very lovable character. The next drama is Freshman. This drama tells the challenge of an outsider of a college to become the insider. In this, the In Yup is really naughty and very cherished and very fun-loving guy with whom you will surely going to fall in love. We will always fall in love in every character he plays, but in this drama he is very much different from everything. The next drama is The Swimming Bird. It is the story which tells us that the contract teacher In Che discovered that In Gook, a student at her school, being assaulted by the gangster. The next day she sees the In Gook's empty seat from not attending school and get flooded with the guilt. It is another the must-watch drama in which the In Yup is really the another very unique character he played, a very serious and the victimized character he played, but the acting of him is really appreciable and the storyline is also. The next drama will be The Why. The Yun Woo and Jo Yoon met for the first time when they were 17 years old. After 4 years of a friendship, the guy invited the girl to date, and then came the 100th day of the celebration. Everything was fine. They promised each other to love each other even more. But in the evening, the girl leaves him without any explanation. Woo is very upset, and therefore his friends, in order to distract the guy, go on trip to the Jeju Island, where they met the two attractive girls. The next drama is one of the best drama of him is True Beauty. The Im Joo Kyung is a high school student. Since she was little, she has a complex about her appearance. To hide her bare face, the Im Joo Kyung always wears the makeup. Her excellent makeup skill makes her pretty, and she hides her bare face in front of others. She gets involved with the two men, the Lee Soo Hoo and the Han Seon Jun, who really love her not only for the outside beauty, or the real beauty of her. The next drama is Why Her. This drama is going to be released in the January midweek 2022. It tells the melodrama that tells the story of the woman who makes the wrong choice in her life and lives for the wrong kind of a success. After she falls in love with a certain young man, she changes the direction of her learn and learns to properly love herself. It is a slow story that is described as a painful yet exciting and cold yet warm drama, where the In Yup is the main lead of the drama and will be doing the real romance as the real main hero.